Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about why people buy over the phone. And if you're listening to this, it's probably not why you would suspect. Let me explain. Everybody knows that when you have a prospect on the phone, they are there for a specific outcome. You are solving a problem, you have the solution, but what if I were to tell you that more than likely the prospect is not really buying the solution you believe he's buying? See, what I have come to know, selling over 8 million a month in high ticket sales, is people do not buy what you're selling, they buy status instead. Before you write this video off and say, oh yeah, I've heard of that before, let me explain, guys, let me break it down for you and explain why this concept will probably make you more money than what you're currently experiencing right now. If you look at status, let's take the stay-at-home mom for example. See, the stay-at-home mom, I would never buy her a brand new Lexus i50 that she can go like run around with and look cool in, because the stay-at-home mom, A, doesn't have the utility for it, right? She can't put her kids in it, but B, and more importantly, the stay-at-home mom does not get her status from the i55 Mercedes that's freaking fast and can beat everybody on the freeway. The stay-at-home mom, how she feels more emotionally connected to life, and the status that she wants everybody to know is that, hey, I'm riding the mom vehicle, right? I'm riding the Suburban, the 8-seater, right? That lets everybody know that, hey, I'm a mom and this is what I do and this is how I derive meaning from life. And it's no different when you're selling over the phone. Your prospect does not give a crap about your 90-day solution to weight loss. They do not care about your 90-day accelerator on how to build a business. What the prospect is looking for more than everything else, the reason why they want what they want is because they believe it's gonna bring them a certain status in life. And your number one goal over the phone is to identify what is it that prospect wants that's gonna elevate them in life. Because when their neighbor goes over and looks at what they have, they need to know that, hey, my neighbor thinks I'm cool, right? If you're selling fitness right now, see, they're not buying the better body. They're not buying the 90-day shred program. What they are buying is that emotion. And they think if they get your product, that it's gonna bring them that emotion. Status is tied to emotion. If they have the status, it elevates their emotion. And what's the emotion that everybody wants? Well, everybody wants more joy, more peace, more happiness, more fulfillment, more meaning. So if you can link your product or service to the highest status that somebody can have on this planet, you will automatically win, because they're not gonna say, I'm buying a product. They're gonna say, no, I'm elevating myself in life. My family's gonna appreciate me more if I get X. My mom is not gonna think I'm a failure anymore if I achieve Y. And at the end of the day, emotions control the sales game. The quality of the emotions that you can give the prospect during your sales call will be the deciding factor of whether or not they buy. Status, which links to emotion, that emotion says, you know what? I'm gonna move forward. It is proven over and over again that a human cannot make a decision without emotion. And in fact, all decisions are made about 7 to 10 seconds before you analytically make them, right? We've all been in scenarios where you have A and you have B, and A looks just as good as B. And so analytically, we try to say, well, should I go this way? Well, should I go that way? And the problem is when you use analytics, you don't know which way to go. It's not until you get that gut feeling, that emotional response that says, you know what? This is the way I need to go. And it's no different when you are selling. Remember, at the end of the day, nobody cares what you offer. Nobody cares about your program. Nobody cares about the gadgets, the gizmos, the Facebook groups. They are looking for a way to elevate their status in life. And you, as the closer, need to make that connection of like, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, you're here right now. The status you're after is X. Let me show you how our solution is gonna elevate your status in life and give you more of the emotions you want to have a more fulfilling and successful life. That's what the game's all about. Everybody has a different status. You need to identify what that status is. You link your product to that status. You create the emotion. That emotion allows the prospect to move forward. Doesn't matter if you're selling B2B, doesn't matter if you're selling B2C. In a B2B environment, yes, it'll be more complicated. There are gonna be more people involved, but at the end of the day, all businesses want something, and they want the status to be known for something in the marketplace. If you can do this time and time again, you can master this craft, you can get people to buy more things, and you will have more fun doing it. All right, guys, with that being said, I hope you really enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, give me a big thumbs up and let the algorithm know that this dude has legit content and that you like it. And of course, if you haven't already, join the Closers Network with the link down below in the description. Guys, I'll see you for the next one. Rich